All right, y'all, buckle up. We're starting in the Bronx and we're heading all the way downtown. Canal Street, Wall Street, and then we're going to make our way right back up. A full loop through the heart of New York City. Let's go. Right now, we're cruising through Inwood in Upper Manhattan. Streets full of flavor, culture, and history. You already know the vibe out here is different. Side turns, corner stores, and music playing from every direction. We just pulled into Canal Street. If you've ever been down here, you know it's chaos in the best way. Street vendors, non-stop traffic, and energy that never quits. Canal Street is like the gateway between Chinatown, Soho, and Tribeca. It's gritty, it's real, and it's very New York. Now we're pushing even further downtown to the financial heartbeat of the country, Wall Street. You'll pass by many famous buildings such as the US Courthouse, the New York Stock Exchange, the US Post Office, and all the big banks. Funny how this part of town is all business by day, but once the sun sets, it gets quiet. Total shift in vibe. really see how New York changes from block to block, from the polished high-rises of downtown to the raw, real streets of Uptown. That's the beauty of it. We had had enough of it. We had to get our fix of New York City hot dogs. All right, mission almost complete. Time to head back uptown. Let's hit the Henry Hudson Parkway again and ride it all the way up. If you enjoyed the ride, drop a comment and let me know where I should drive next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more street journeys. Thanks for riding through the city with me.
Ciao.